Brother, oil change sounds simple, right? Drain, refill, done. But buddy, this is where most engines slowly lose their strength. Popular automotive magazines explain that wrong oil habits cause wear long before drivers hear noise. The problem starts when people treat oil like water instead of a protective system. Oil controls heat, friction, and internal cleanliness. When mistakes stack up, metal parts touch, heat spikes, and wear accelerates. The solution begins with awareness. Oil change is not a routine chore. It is engine life insurance. Tip for today: slow down and respect the process. In the next segment, we expose mistake number 1 that almost everyone ignores. Segment 2. Buddy, mistake number 1 is changing oil only by mileage and ignoring time. Popular car manufacturers explain that oil degrades even when the car sits. Moisture builds, additives break down, and protection fades. The solution is simple, brother. Follow both mileage and time recommendations. If you drive short trips, oil ages faster. Practical tip: check your manual and mark oil change dates on your phone. This small habit protects your engine when you least expect it. Coming next, a mistake that happens during the oil drain itself. Segment 3. Brother, draining oil too cold or too hot creates problems. Automotive engineers explain that cold oil traps sludge while overheated oil flows too thin and leaves residue. The solution is warm, not hot. Let the engine run a few minutes, then shut it down. Practical tip: wait until the engine feels warm to the touch, but not burning. That balance allows contaminants to leave smoothly. Stay with me, buddy, because the next mistake ruins fresh oil before the engine even starts. Motivation. Brother, engines reward patience. Small, careful steps today create big mileage tomorrow. Segment 4. Buddy, mistake number 3 is reusing an old oil filter or installing it dry. Popular mechanic guides explain that filters hold dirty oil inside. Reusing them contaminates fresh oil instantly. The solution is always replace the filter and pre-fill it when possible. Practical tip: lightly oil the gasket before installing. This helps sealing and prevents pressure delay on startup. Next, we talk about oil type confusion that costs engines silently. Segment 5. Brother, choosing oil by price or rumor instead of specification is a major mistake. Automotive research shows that viscosity and additives matter for engine design. Using oil too thick or too thin disrupts lubrication flow. The solution is follow manufacturer specs, not internet myths. Practical tip: match viscosity exactly and check certifications on the bottle. Up next, a mistake many drivers make after the oil is already inside. Segment 6. Buddy, overfilling or underfilling oil causes serious stress. Too much oil creates foam, too little creates metal contact. Popular engine labs explain that foam reduces lubrication strength. The solution is check level after filling and let oil settle. Practical tip: wait 5 minutes before reading the dipstick. Accuracy here saves bearings. Coming next, how driving habits after oil change affect oil life. Motivation. Brother, accuracy beats speed. A calm oil change protects thousands of moving parts. Segment 7. Brother, aggressive driving immediately after an oil change is a hidden killer. Fresh oil needs circulation to coat surfaces evenly. Automotive experts explain that sudden high load creates uneven film thickness. The solution is gentle driving for the first few miles. Practical tip: keep RPM moderate and let oil reach every corner. Next, we reveal why short trips destroy oil faster than you think. Segment 8. Buddy, short trips never allow oil to reach full operating temperature. Moisture and fuel dilution stay trapped inside. Popular automotive studies show that this accelerates oil breakdown. The solution is one longer drive each week. Practical tip: aim for 15 minutes of steady driving. That single habit keeps oil clean longer. Next, we talk about ignoring warning signs. Segment 9. Brother, ignoring oil color, smell, and engine behavior is a big mistake. Automotive professionals say oil tells a story. Burnt smell or thick texture signals trouble. The solution is observe, not assume. Practical tip: check oil monthly even between changes. Coming next, we connect oil habits to long engine life. Motivation. Brother, engines speak softly before they fail loudly. Listen early and act smart. Segment 10. Buddy, oil change intervals are not universal. City driving, towing, and heat shorten oil life. Popular car manuals explain severe conditions require shorter intervals. The solution is adjust to your driving style. Practical tip: cut intervals shorter if you drive in traffic or extreme heat. Next, we talk about oil brand switching myths. Segment 11. Brother, switching oil brands without reason confuses many drivers. Automotive experts explain that mixing different additive packages can reduce effectiveness. The solution is consistency. Practical tip: stick with one trusted brand and specification. Coming next, we cover improper oil disposal and why it matters. Segment 12. Buddy, dumping oil carelessly harms the environment and can even damage your car image. Automotive associations stress proper disposal. The solution is recycle responsibly. Practical tip: return used oil to service centers. Next, we move into motivation before the final stretch. Motivation, brother. Respect the engine and respect the process. Responsibility creates reliability. Segment 13. Brother, skipping oil changes because the engine sounds fine is a trap. Wear happens silently. Popular engine studies show damage accumulates before noise appears. The solution is prevention, not reaction. Practical tip: trust intervals, not sound. Up next, how oil quality affects fuel efficiency. Segment 14. Buddy, degraded oil increases friction and fuel consumption. Automotive tests show clean oil improves efficiency. The solution is timely oil care. Practical tip: track fuel economy changes as a warning sign. Next, we connect oil health to engine cooling. Segment 15. Brother, oil also carries heat away from engine parts. Dirty oil traps heat. Automotive engineers explain this leads to faster wear. The solution is clean oil circulation. Practical tip: never extend oil life beyond limits. Next, we talk about confidence behind the wheel. Motivation. Brother, confidence comes from care. A healthy engine gives peace of mind. Segment 16. Buddy, DIY oil changes are fine when done right. Mistakes happen when rushing. The solution is preparation. Practical tip: gather tools and specs before starting. Next, we summarize the biggest lessons. Segment 17. Brother, oil is not just a liquid, it is a system. Popular automotive experts agree oil care determines engine lifespan. The solution is respect every step. Practical tip: treat oil change as maintenance, not a chore. Coming next, the final wrap. Segment 18. Buddy, engines that last hundreds of thousands of miles share one thing: consistent oil habits. The solution is discipline. Practical tip: build a routine and stick to it. Next, final motivation. Motivation. Brother, small habits repeated over time build legendary engines. Stay consistent. Segment 19. Brother, most engine failures begin with oil mistakes, not bad luck. The solution is knowledge and action. Practical tip: share this knowledge with other drivers. Next, final segment. Segment 20. Brother, if this helped you, like, share, comment your experience. This video provides general automotive information and does not replace professional service advice. Always follow your vehicle manual and safety procedures when working with engine components. Stay safe, drive smart, and keep your engines